Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to change your name into Zoom while the meeting is going on. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, first of all, you have to open your Zoom application and go to the meeting. And when you are in a meeting, you just simply have to tap into this participants option, and into there you can see all of the participant. In here you just simply have to find out your account and then click to this three dots besides your own account, and after that you will get edit profile picture and rename option. Just simply click into this rename option in order to change the name. Then after that, erase this name and type your desired name here. And after typing down the name, just simply click to this change option, and then your name will be changed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your name into the ongoing Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.